We're currently in Edessa. We've left Poza, and did I say Poza was magical? Wait until you see Edessa, a slice of heaven. There is just water everywhere. It's called the water city. Just look behind me. You see the water behind you? And oh God, there are lovers everywhere taking pictures. I am in Edessa, called the water city, because there is virtually water coming out from every rock and the ground. See that waterfall behind me? And there it continues that way. This is the first waterfall. There is water even for the tourists, the travelers. Clean water from the tap there. I've just called Edessa the slice of heaven. Look behind me. Can you see just the landscape? I should take a picture here. See how I'm glowing. Oh wow. I'm going to take us to the second waterfall. Actually, this waterfall is the highest in the village. It's now a UNESCO heritage site. That's Greek music you're hearing in the background. So this is the second waterfall, actually the highest waterfall in the village in Edessa. Magnificent. I mean, when I say there's water everywhere, there actually is water everywhere. I mean, yeah, you can even go down, and there's a cave. There's a cave. I'm trying to point it out. Down there, people are there. You can go in and actually rest. I'm already out of breath. I might go down. I've just been dancing.